to have a little adventure. If you already know, how do we get the helicopter? Well, good question. Let's go. Let's go to my basement. You already know how to get the basement, so let's go to the planet. That's how you get. Let's go to planet 1, and you say yes, like that, to get the helicopter. That would be easy. Actually, it's not easy. You're going to get to the boss, so you're going to get look at them. They're helping. I'm helping. Alright. So let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Boop! You can never. What the? They're not so very smart, but I knew they're smart, actually. Haha, what's over there? Oh my! It's shooting us, it's shooting us, it's shooting us, it's shooting us. My health is going down. It's actually shooting us before, so let's just go. Gotta be so suspicious! What? It's not even firing. Oh my gosh. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I need you. Come on. Guys, you know how to do this. Bang! Oh, it's not shooting, so... Oh, it's shooting. It's Caden. It's Caden. Caden's hat. We found Caden's hat. Come on, dude. Let's go to fence. Right. Legends never oof their jobs. Woo! Oh, I almost got pushed. Right. Oh! You can never. Come on, dude. You're so annoying. Alright. Dude! Don't worry, they're not gonna kill you. They're just gonna push you. Well, no matters. Come on, just hurry up. Alright. Sheesh. Alright. We're gonna glitch over here. Whoop! Come on, you can take shortcuts. It's just too funny. Look at this dude trying to get shortcuts like me. Pull out your gun. I mean, do not use gun to shortcut. Do not use gun to shortcut like what I do. Do not use gun to take shortcuts. He fell over here like. He actually fell. Like this dude. Like this. Like that. Yeah, that's right. This is just too funny. Oh! Legends never die. Like, he's my best friend. Soon. Not actually, but I'm just trying to treat him like I'm his friend. Alright. Dude, this is so hard. My friend is trying so hard, but I'm trying too hard, but I kept falling. Please, my friend, please. What the? This random person just fell. Alright. Let's just think that's all my friends that's joining us today as episode Noobs. Noobs. And I'm just kidding. They are players too. Come on, guys. We're going to get to the bottom of this. Legends never die. No, she died. All right. Die. Ow. My health is going down. Look at that. Look at that unsmartable.
Tulog ka. Just
Oh, my health is going down. Ooh! No, no, no. No, no. No, no. No, you're not going to kill me. No, you're not. No. Dead. Oof. That. Let's just skip this. Yes. Alright, it's dead. It's dead. It's dead. Woo! Yes. So you know what? You get the heart. Let's go get it. Alright. So you get the heart and go back. Alright guys, thank you for so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like button. And see you next time.